Hello, welcome sa ating lesson. This time naman is going to be on the uh, this video is going to be one of two. This most recent na in-upload ko. All right, so let me share this screen. Ito, ayan. Okay. The topic for this one is going to be on recognizing shades of meaning. But before that, look at this picture muna. It's color shades. And ito mga nasa taas, these are the colors that we are familiar with, no? Pink, violet, gray, green, orange, red, yellow, blue, and brown. And come to think of it, actually, kung isipin mo, kuwari, nakita mo yung color na crimson. Pag nakita mo yung color na yan, ang una mong maiisip red, 'di ba? Ang una mong maiisip red. Pero actually, it's more of a shade of red. It's crimson. It's a unique color. How about something ito dito sa baba? Itong parang neon red. Siguro pag nakita mo to, you'd call it neon red. Pero apparently it's called apple. Apple. And then let's go to green. Ito, pag nakita mo tong Kelly, una mo maisip, green. Pero unique pala yung name niya, Kelly. It's a shade of green. So there are so many shades of colors and they have their own different names. Now, pagdating sa words in English, actually, the words can be a little confusing because they can have shades themselves. They can have shades of meaning. Yep, especially if a word has several synonyms, these synonyms will represent yung mga shades na yon. They are they are synonymous, like similar in meaning to the given word, but they have shades. One would be closer to the original word. Now, how will you know how to choose the right one? Sometimes you have to understand yung context ng sentence, ganyan. And at other times, you're going to really have to check up on the definition of the word para malaman mo which would be best to use in a context. Yeah, such as itong example natin. The farmer received a mandate from the landowner. Okay, so it seems to me that since landowner, hindi siya yung may-ari ng land. So, meron siya nakuhang mandate. Now, what could this mandate mean like? What could this mandate mean? So, there are several synonyms that would be close, such as a command, an assurance, instruction, or a code. Pero these convey this similar ideas, pero which one would be the best? Which one would have the strongest shade that is closest to mandate? Now, a mandate kasi the definition is a formal order from a given authority. So there's an authority telling someone what to do. So that is a command. Command yung closest. I mean, instruction is also telling someone what to do. Pero it may be in a situation where the one giving instruction is not exactly an authority. Si suppose an example could be a child tumawag siya sa nanay niya, ganon. Nanay, nanay, pwede pong paki-off po yung computer. Nakalimutan ko po kasi i-off. So, punta po kayo sa kwarto ko. Nandun po siya sa kaliwa na sa may wall. Um, Tinabunan ko rin po siya ng unan, so pakialis na lang po yung unan, and then paki-save yung document na naka-open, i-close nyo, and then i-turn off nyo yung computer. 'Di ba? That in that situation, in that case, the child is telling his mother to do something. Meron siyang pinapagawa. Pero hindi siya formal order from an authority. Kasi syempre hindi naman authority yung anak dun sa parent, di ba? So ayan, instruction siya, instruction. Yan, a code naman is like a code of laws. It's a written agreement between people na ito ang dapat na behavior natin in society. So, ganun. So, hindi siya exactly the same. Yung code is not written commands, no? So, mandate, the best would be command, which is more of meron siyang verbal na, merong verbal aspect dun sa pagbigay ng instruction. And, merong subtle meaning na ang nagbigay nung instruction na ay an authority. Kaya command. Command is the closest to the meaning of mandate. Alright? So actually, it's maganda tong lessons na to, no, na recognizing shades of meaning. Kasi you will be aware, yung mind niya, your mindset will be aware na words can have several meanings, and these meanings can have represent different shades of meaning. That is also, they're all synonymous to the word, but one is the closest to the true meaning of the word. Now, if we are aware of this understanding, na things have shades, they are not black and white. It may also help you understand na yan, ang buhay, ganun din. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Just like ang English words and meanings, synonyms, they have shades. Ang buhay ganun din eh. There are shades. There are shades of gray in the world. It's not always black and white. And this is a lesson that might be very helpful to some people, just recently we concluded yung the elections of the year 2020 for the Philippines, di ba? And many people are frustrated, angry, grieving. They're very miserable. Some probably are, showing signs of uh, depressed feelings. Not exactly depression, but depressed feelings. And that might also because na they did not internalize in them that the world is not black and white. And it's hindi basta someone did not vote for the candidate that you wanted. Hindi sila bobo, hindi sila tanga. It's not like that. It's more complicated than that. There are so many nuances to this, no. Even smart people can make decisions that are completely opposite to yours, ba? So ganun din kasi the world is not black and white. My mother said this to us before na sabi niya, no one has a monopoly on information. Walang isang tao na alam lahat. Walang isang tao alam ang absolute truth. Now, granted, there may be what they call misinformation out there, no? Pero sometimes it seems to me that what people call misinformation is just information that contradicts their knowledge. And they can't take the criticism, they can't take a view that is opposite to theirs, and they brand it as misinformation. So let's not, and that very idea, no? Information, misinformation. How do you have the wisdom, the absolute knowledge to discern and to determine which information is true or false? Let us not be arrogant now. Let's not be arrogant and claim to know the truth. No? So let's be humble sometimes. And let's also have the understanding na um, the world is not black and white. It's not between you and them. Hindi ganun yan eh. So, yan. So, sana ay meron kayo natutunan about vocabulary. They are not just black and white. No? And actually, one of our schoolmates, they mentioned na, actually, you know what, some words have multiple meanings, such as the word set, S-E-T. It can be a verb, it can be a noun, set. It can also be an adjective. But the game is set. Ba? So, it can have several meanings. Kaya, ano talaga, kaya natin inaaral tong recognizing shades of meaning in related words. It's related to vocabulary, which is the knowledge of words and their meanings. So with this understanding, no, finding the context of what's being talked about, ganyan, you can find the best answer to your work, right? So meron din na activity na in-upload dyan, and let's just check it out. Just mabilis lang. Here it is. Exercise recognizing shades of meaning. So sabi dito, choose the word that is closest in meaning to the capitalized word. Say number one, despite of a life well lived, the woman was treated by her townmates as a fugitive. 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 Now, if you think about it, a fugitive is someone, yeah, and all these words mean, um, ayan na, someone, mm, yeah, someone who broke the law, no? Pero definitely not escapee. Parang hindi naman yun yung context eh. And then outlaw is more like, as someone who is out in the wilderness. That is that holds up travelers, parang outlaw. Wala siya sa community. So, probably not this one. It's either just criminal or convict. Now, kung convict, ano siya, parang prisoner. He is a he or she is a prisoner inside prison. Convict. Convict. So maybe criminal would be the closest. Kasi you can be a criminal, you are part of society, pero you are doing crime. No? So a criminal would be, would be better. Kasi convict kasi parang nasa loob ka ng presinto eh. Yeah, so hindi rin man escapee, di ba? Hindi naman siya tumakas eh. And some people are actually, sympathetic to escapees. They help escapees find sanctuary. So, siguro criminal would be best. Okay? And then, sa next page natin, ayun din. So, just multiple choice. After the thunderstorm came a blinding blank of lightning. Blinding and lightning. Na kasi kung gleam is like the shine of metal, like shiny metal. Yeah, something like this, no? Gleam. Now that's what you can call gleam. So ano siya eh, hindi siya parang sakto dun sa meaning na hinahanap natin. And then glimmer is also very similar to gleam, pero when you say gleam, andun lang siya. It's permanent. Nandiyan lang yung gleam. Yung glimmer, parang isang mabilis na gano'n. It's a gleam that just happens for a second. So, glimmer. So, definitely not this one. Now, flash. So, dalawa na lang. 50-50. Flash and flicker. Now, flicker is like yung, imagine nyo yung light bulb. Light bulb na medyo sira na. Umiilaw-ilaw siya ng gano'n. Flicker, flicker. So, hindi yun talaga exactly yung hanap natin. Kasi, dapat nakakabulag eh, blinding. Now, check niyo yung tingnan niyo yung ano ko, yung video ko. Like if I turn on the light ng mabilis na mabilis ngayon. Ayan siguro yan flicker. Flicker. Ito nga pwedeng ito ang flash, no? Nag-flash ito. Para flicker lang, flicker. Ito flash kasi ang lakas, 'di ba?